Hello dear students, my name is Devashish Padi. In the last class, we have discussed about the K-map and how to group the number of ones in the K-map. We have already discussed that. So today we will discuss some of the examples of your K-map after grouping, how to write the expressions. We will discuss the things. So let us consider this is my 4 variable K-map. Let us consider this is my 4 variable K-map. How can I know this is my 4 variable K-map? Now here it was written as A, B and here it was written as C, D. Okay, this is 4 variable K-map. 4 variable K-map means 2 to the power 16, 2 to the power 4, 16 cells are there. Okay, so this is 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. Okay, or you can say that this is my A prime, B prime, A prime, B, A, B, A, B prime. Okay, this is my C prime, D prime, this is C prime, D, this is C, D, this is C, D prime. And see, number of ones are present here. Here also number of ones are present here. So I can group these 4 ones as one group and these 4 ones as one group. Okay. So how can I write the expressions from these groupings? So see, if I consider these 4 ones, these horizontal 4 ones, what is the common things here? Now see, the common thing is 1, 1. This row is known as my 1, 1 row. 1, 1 row means this is AB. All the 4 ones consist of 1, 1. So I can write the expression as AB. And consider these 4 ones. What is the common thing here? Now see, 0, 1 is present in all the ones, but these are changes. So 0, 1 means 0 means C prime and 1 means D. So the common thing is C prime D. So the expression is AB plus C prime D. See this example. Here 2 ones are there. I can group these 2 ones. Here also 2 ones are there. I can group these 2 ones and these 2 ones also grouped. So how can I write the expression? I can write the expression as, see, for these 2 ones, what is the common thing? For these 2 ones, 1, 1 is common. In this column, in this 2 column and in this row. What is the common thing? Now 1, 1 is common. If 1, 1 is common, what I can write? I can write 1, 1 means AB. So I can write here AB. And from these 2 columns, 1 is present in both the cases. So 1 means here C. So the expression is A, B, C. So for these 2 1, the expression is A, B, C. Again I am telling, for these 2 ones, in this row, 1, 1 is common. And 1, 1 means AB. So AB is writing here. And for these 2 columns, 1 is common. Here 1 is present. Here 1 is present. So 1 means C. I can write here C. And how BD prime is derived? See, these 2 ones and these 2 ones are grouped. One single group. For these 4 ones, what is the common here? Now 1, 1. This thing is common. So this is known as my B. And for column things, See, here 0 is there, here also 0 is there. So 0 is common, and 0 means D prime. So BD prime plus ABC. Okay. Here see, these 4 ones are grouped. What is the common thing? The common thing is B. Okay. Common thing is B, and here also common thing is D. Okay. So BD. Okay. So like this, you can group the ones and write the expression. Okay. Thank you.